In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin on Kraken. So from our Kraken home tab, we're going to click on this purple button down below. And from here, we're going to click on withdraw cash or crypto. And right now you select Bitcoin. In this screen, you're going to select the network. And please be aware that you select the same network in here as you will be selecting in the other wallet. So if you don't select the same network, then your crypto can be lost. So I'm going with Bitcoin. And in here, we're going to click on select address and click on the arrow down. And from here, we're going to click on add withdrawal address. Select the same network again. And in here, we can paste our withdrawal address. And from now, you need to go to your other wallet where you want to send your Bitcoin to. And for this video, I'm going with Bybit, but you can use every other wallet. So from your wallet, go to something that is saying deposit. So for that, I'm going to click on assets. And now here I see deposit. And I can select deposit crypto. So find something in your wallet that is similar to this. And from here, you're going to select Bitcoin. So click on BTC. And right now you need to select the chain type. And that is actually a network. So click on BTC for that. So now we have the same network. And we can check that in here. It's saying BTC. And in here we have our wallet address. So let's copy this wallet address to our clipboard and go back to Kraken to paste this in. So I have pasted in my wallet address from my other wallet. And now I can click on continue and give it a description. And I'm going to call it Bybit BTC for the overview. And I'm going to click on continue. Click on confirm. Kraken always sends you an email to confirm your withdrawal address. So go ahead and open your email and go to your junk or spam or your inbox. And there you will find this email where you need to click on confirm. And after you've done that, you can return back to your Kraken app. So let's click on confirm in this email. So our address is approved and let's return to the app. So in our app, we can now select the arrow down and select our new withdrawal address, and that is Bybit BTC. And now we can enter the amount that we want to send. So if you enter your amount, let's say 20, then it will saying that you need a minimum amount. And after you have that amount, then you're going to click on review and after that confirm. And that is how you will finalize your transfer. It is very easy. You're just 2 steps from there. And that is how you do it. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.